Hey everybody, Mark from the Geek Church, and today we've got this big product to review. This is something we've never reviewed before, because we don't have a cat. Anyway, I've heard this pronounced PAWBBY, but I personally want to pronounce it PAWBBY. But hey, I think it's PAWBBY, but and I just went on to other sites to just check that out. Either way, we're going to be opening it up and checking out right after this. Okay, so I looked on, you know what, I'm just going to pronounce it PAWBBY from now on here. But I checked out PAWBBY's site here, and what I believe this might be their only model of this type of litter box. Now I believe that the purpose of this thing is only to be one of those self-cleaning cat litter boxes, which there are a lot of on the market today, but it's also designed to very much look really good because a lot of these self-cleaning litter boxes, they don't look so good. You know, they're obviously what they're made for. They're made so you can put them in a corner and forget about them. Now this isn't exactly made so you can put it in the spotlight, like say your TV or your couch, but it definitely looks nicer. But why don't we open it up and find out? Okay, I'm going to take a risk here because, let's see, I'm not sure if this is one of those. Okay, this is this side up thing. So I'm going to open it from the top because I don't really see any other option as far as, I did flip it over and open it from the bottom and dump it out. I don't really want to take that risk. I also don't want to take up my back by taking it out of here, which hopefully I won't have to do. But we'll see once we get these flaps open. Right. Okay, the flaps are coming open, and let's see what's in the box. Alright, usually these things have things that are hanging on the top, and I see what looks like, for lack of a better term, a cat mat. Yeah, that's what I'm going to call this. And there's a little box here that has probably instructions in it. And you know what? I'm just going to see if what's in this box, or a small thing here. Okay, so realized I made a big mistake. I actually thought that this was like a small box and there was going to be some stuff inside. It is in fact the PAWBBY instructions. So quite a thick booklet, but it's in many languages. So who knows? Hopefully this thing will be easy to set up, and we'll be doing that here. Okay, so on the top here, I'm seeing a bunch of styrofoam, and I'm going to take this out. And yeah, I mean, what else am I supposed to do with that? Yeah. Okay, this is where I'm probably going to take a risk and pull this out manually. I'm not sure it's a smart idea. Okay, so there's some handles on this thing, so it should be very easy to yank out of here. But I'm going to check this out here. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. PAWBBY. Okay, before I take the plastic off here, I want to dive down deep here and discover what's inside, which looks to be a cord, which doesn't surprise me in the slightest. Something like this would have to be powered by something. And then what looks to be I'm not sure what this is. Here, hang on a second. It says a bee deodorizing pod. So we're going to have to look at the instructions on this. And fortunately, I have found that this thing comes with a, let's see, oh hello, some bags of some type. But didn't I see something else on here? I swear I saw, oh yes, on top there's a quick start guide. Maybe it's time we take the plastic off and get a good look at this. Okay, so without further ado, let's take off the plastic. And here we are. Let's see. Like I said, quick start guide. Should I check it out? First I want to look at everything here first. Like, what am I looking at here? Okay. Oh, here we go. Here's what I really wanted to see, which is the front of it, which has this kind of sponge-like matter here. I better take this off. Okay, we've got the front off now. So what can we see here? Well, you can see a place, there's another little sponge thing here. I don't know whether I should take this off. there's a place where the cat goes. Okay, there's a lot of tape on this thing that I'm just taking off here. Okay, I just figured out why the tape is there, because this lifts off. So, yeah, not bad. And I think I missed a piece of tape back here. Two pieces of tape back here. Okay, now it gets interesting. There's something on here that I have to get rid of here. Does this thing lift out of here? I can't really tell. Oh, it does. Okay. That's interesting. All kinds of sponges inside here. So, yeah. Huh. Okay. I'm not really sure how this really works here, but maybe we can get some better shots of it later. Okay, there's some instructions here that are telling me what to do that I'm going to take for later. And yeah, really I'm getting, you know, they always, whenever you buy a product like this, they always like pack in so much sponges and styrofoam and stuff like that. It's difficult to tell what even is up here. Yeah. So what to do next? I don't have a cat yet, but I want to try something here really first. Alright, I think I better just put the lid on this thing. And, actually, you know what? I should probably address this. This thing, as I mentioned before, lifts right out, and then puts back in. Is there a gear that meshes with it? That's what I believe is supposed to happen. So, and I guess this top is supposed to be aligned like this? I suppose. I'm going by a lot of things here, and let's see. One thing I don't want to do is put a cat in this before I figure out how it completely works. So I definitely think that it's time to plug this in. We'll see where to go from here. Okay, do we get an indicator? We do. Oh my gosh. Okay. It says it's resetting. I'm not sure what that means, but the thing inside here is spinning. I'm glad the cat's not in there. So I don't know how it knows what is what here. Okay. So I'm assuming that this is sort of, it's a slow process too. So I don't know how it knows when it's completely reset. We're going to check this out. There appears to be some indicators here. Oh, okay. So, alright. Okay, yeah, I can't really see what this says. Cat approaching. Oh, shoot. Oh, did I just trigger that thing? Okay, alright, I think I did. I think when I was pointing to one of those things, I think it triggered the thing to stop its work, which is good. I think that's a good safety feature. So you can't say. This would be a good time to talk about the aesthetics of this thing. I really like this thing with its. It feels like it would fit very well in 70s kind of aesthetic. There's sort of like this kind of almost like a 70s stereo speaker kind of look to it, as you can see. And that, I think that's pretty much universal. I believe this will go in any house and look good. That's what you want, right? Isn't it? Okay, so I believe this thing is aligned, and let's see. There's a lot we've got to do as far as the setup of this. So I think it's appropriate that we switch locations just to do that. And now it seems to be moving again.
Hey everyone, Mark from the editing room here, and I realized I didn't really have a good transition here for when I took the PAWBBY to my daughter's apartment, where she has a cat named Topaz. And Topaz took to the PAWBBY pretty quickly, as you can see here.
Topaz?
Topaz. She really likes it in there.
Hey Topaz, so what do you think? Is it a winner? 5 stars? Okay, so it looks like we got a before and after situation here. So we've got this set up. We have to put in this thing into this drawer here according to the instructions. Let's do it.
I'm going.
Not sure how this works here. Oh, yeah, hang on. Okay, that hooks there. That hooks there. I punctured the bag there. Whoops, that's not good. And just a little. Okay, that's pretty well covered. Alright, so let's put that in there. That doesn't get caught or anything on the way out. Okay, that looks good. Alright. So that's that. Okay. Alright. Okay, now it says to add the cat litter. I'll see that on the instructions. Okay, so what does that say there? Both the cat litter ports can inlet. Okay. Jeez, it still says the cat approach on there. That could be a problem. Is there like a reset switch or something on this? What if I hit this button? Clean now. Alright. Okay, I better cut. Okay, we got some litter in there, so it's now flattening. According to the that is a very clear, display. You wouldn't think on a product like this it would have it. So is it like just shifting
I think
back
it's
and
just
forth?
shifting.
Okay.
It
Oh,
just
hey, look at
goes like
that.
Flat.
Okay, now is that an indicator? Not enough litter.
Uh-oh.
It says not enough cat litter. Okay, boy, that's short. I thought it was like not enough cat. And it's like cat litter left. Shoot.
I don't have anything.
I believe. Okay, it looks like you're done.
I'm connected.
Yeah, we're connected, all right. A litter box with a Wi-Fi network.
Okay, we've got a sleep mode, auto clean, screen lock. I'm guessing that means if you press the buttons, they won't work if you have this on.
Yeah.
Auto screen off, so maybe after a while you don't use it.
Okay.
Soft clumps mode. I don't know what that is. Special cats care, which they asked earlier if I had special cats.
Now, did you have to set up an account for this with a username and password or anything?
Yeah, it was really easy though.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's pretty good. Smile for the camera. Oh, you're beautiful. You are a beautiful cat.
Topaz is terrified right now. I'm scared this will make her not want to use it. Her tail is huge. But she does seem very curious. I think right now it's sifting the litter. Oh my goodness, her tail is huge. She's a little scared. So it looks like it's cleaning. I think maybe she did use it because I put her in there earlier to see if she would, but I think she did anything. It seemed like she sat in there and didn't do anything more, but it's cleaning. There was some dirty litter in there, so she seems kind of scared, but she also seems kind of interested. What do you think? Cleaning. It's going. Oh, there's a clump. Oh, there's a few clumps. There they go. Into the trash. she's jumping at it. There it goes. Oh. She wants to go in. Oh, but I think it stopped the cleaning process because the cat's approaching. I don't want her to get tumbled. She just wants to look. Curiosity keeps stopping the litter box process. keeps trying to rotate, but then Topaz approaches because she wants to see what's going on, which is very cute, but it's never gonna get back to your litter if you keep doing this. She's got the angry ears. She said, why is the litter not there? What's going on, huh? I think she likes the mat though. She really likes the mat, huh? You like the mat. It's purring. It's a good kitty.
Okay, you saw us set it up. You saw Topaz, the cat, getting used to it. And I'm told that the cat is very used to it by now and is very comfortable with it. Anyway, I'm not going to lie, and I'm going to say that this is a pretty up there in price product, and I'll give you the price point right here on one of those sides because I always forget which one it is. I'll leave it up to you if you want to do that, but I have to admit, you're going to have to ask yourself, how badly do I want to make the disgusting job of cleaning out my cat litter box easier for me? I'm just going to leave you with that question here. Anyway, check out the article. I've got a lot more details there. And till now, this has been Mark from the Geek Church, and I'm signing off.